First tonight, 19 people have died with the coronavirus here in Rhode Island, marking the state's largest one-day increase. The patients ranging in age from their 30s to their 90s. The virus continues to wreak havoc on congregate care settings like nursing homes. Health Department Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott says 10 of the people who died today were nursing home residents. In all, there have now been 137 COVID-19 related deaths in Rhode Island. The Health Department also announcing more than 300 new cases, bringing the state's cumulative total now to nearly 4,500. Governor Gina Raimondo expects the state to hit its peak at the end of this month or early in May. And today the governor says she does not currently expect to extend the stay-at-home order past May 8th, but she says that could change. Eyewitness News reporter Anita Buffoni joins us live now with some of the ways the state is now safely trying to move forward. Anita?
That's right, Kim. Governor Gina Raimondo giving Rhode Islanders a glimmer of hope as to when the state's businesses can reopen, and that includes garden centers like Jack of Ones in Johnston. The owner there tells me he was pleased that the governor made this decision today. Addressing Rhode Islanders after an uncommon April snowfall.
I called Mother Nature and told her to knock it off and send us some warm, sunny weather.
Governor Gina Raimondo says those with green thumbs will soon get the chance to start their gardens.
By Monday, we'll be issuing guidelines that will enable garden centers in Rhode Island to open by April 27th. But with restrictions designed to keep everybody safe.
Big box stores now must close their outdoor garden centers to shoppers until April 27th and restrict sales to pickup, delivery, and appointment only. This is good news for Jack of Ones Garden Center in Johnston. Owner Dino Jack of Ones tells me their sales are down almost 80%, but he's relieved they could soon reopen in time for their busy season.
I'm happy with that because we do have a lot of product that we grow that we have to sell.
Jack of Ones says they are ready for restrictions the governor will put in place.
We have custom-made shields for the registers. Like again, I said, outdoor registers, and sanitize every morning.
As for opening the rest of the state's businesses, Raimondo says a plan to reopen industry by industry is in the works.
It's not just about reopening our big companies and our biggest manufacturers, although we want to do that. It's about being very attentive to the needs of our smallest businesses as well.
The governor is now backing off a projection released earlier this week that the state will soon need about 2,200 hospital beds for COVID-19 patients. Raimondo now says if Rhode Island continues to follow her stay-at-home order, she doesn't think that many beds are needed. Just 255 people were hospitalized as of Saturday.
We aren't seeing the steepness of the curve that we had been seeing a week or two ago. And so that just goes to show that all of your sacrifice, the mask wearing, the staying at home is working.
And as for the federal aid coming to Rhode Island, Governor Gina Raimondo announced today half of the $1.2 billion promised to Rhode Island has arrived. Those funds will go towards the state's effort to combat the coronavirus. Live in Providence, I'm Anita Buffoni, Eyewitness News.